Yeah, hello, I'm Didac and I'm the marketing manager for Nitto EMEA. So Nitto is a Japanese-based company that we supply all over the world. And EMEA, we have our business headquarters and our manufacturing plants in Belgium, but also in Germany. We like to join the Adhesives Bonding Expo as well as Foam Expo because it's a nice opportunity for us to meet with end customers, to understand what are the market trends and to understand their needs, right? And we also took the opportunity sometimes to introduce some products based on the requirements we hear from them on past editions. So in fact, we were just waiting for this event to introduce our PFAS-free foam tapes, because that's a market. There is a concern in the market about PFAS, and we wait basically, just 1 month before Foam Expo or Adhesive and Bonding to launch this product. So besides PFAS-free foam tapes, we are also introducing at this edition our easy-to-peel EPDM foam, which it's a nice solution towards sustainability, because sometimes you have the EPDM foam, but it's so hard to remove it from your plastic part. Now with the easy peel EPDM, as for a recycling point of view, that's easier to split the EPDM from the plastic part, and then it becomes easier to recycle, to repair, or to reuse parts. So, we are mainly focused on automotive, but also it's domestic appliances. I've been hearing today a lot about building and construction, where there are more and more regulations towards energy efficiency, recyclability, and so on. So, yeah, sure. There are two things, with foam tapes or with foams, you can easily insulate parts, so you can bring more efficiency on your heating or in your cooling systems. So you need less power to cool down or to heat. So that's direct link to sustainability. And then with our recent innovation, this Easy Peel EPDM foam, then you can easily recycle both parts. So that's indeed. I can tell you that we are using more and more artificial intelligence, at least for administration purposes. So you can automate some parts. You can easily create some text. I'm from marketing. You can easily create some advertising post or whatsoever. So, there are real benefits. Point is how to handle it. One of our biggest markets is automotive, right? And one of our biggest contributions is that with our foam tapes or with our tapes, we are doing the new electrical cars more comfortable. Because one of the issues is the noise. So some noise that in the past with combustion vehicles were not, visible. Not with the electric vehicles, some noise are more, noticeable, right? So together with different partners, we have bring a solution in the new mobilities to make the new cars much more comfortable. We all like to drive, electrical vehicles. We all like to be, safer and more comfortable, in the cars or whatsoever. So there is a clear link. If we are able to provide them solutions that makes those cars more safer, more comfortable, even more recyclable, there is a direct benefit not only for our end customer, but also for the user, right? So that's a nice contribution. Well, we like to be here because it's the perfect place to meet key leaders, or key players in the industry, right? So in 3 days, we are able to either look what competitors are doing, also to discuss with competitors, to see if the needs or the needs of the market are, correct, and from here on define what's the strategy towards the future in terms of development, new products, bringing innovations, and so on. So the information that we are getting just being here, it's quite powerful. Well, I think it's the place to be, you know. So all the key players are here, all the key manufacturers are here, and customers are coming. They are looking for solutions, and that's the perfect place to have this link and networking with the whole industry.